3 best drones for kids in 2021 by Julia Best. Let's start with the list. Number 1. HASAKEE Q9S Drones for Kids. Light up the sky. Bright LEDs on the Q9S drone emit vibrant neon green and blue light throughout its entire frame, providing you with a powerful illuminating effect and a vivid flight experience. It also has 3 different display modes for lighting. We believe that it will surprise you all. Secure and durable. The structured style and 4 sturdy propeller guards ensures a secure flight which protects your kids to avoid body injury from spinning propellers. High quality ABS material to withstand countless crashes or drop. Very durable and reliable drone for kids and beginners. User friendly. You can simply take off, land, return the drone with one button. 3 speeds for you to choose, no matter beginners or skilled players. You have no worry about identifying directions under headless mode. The altitude hold feature allows your drone to hover automatically in the air. Even if you do not do anything with the controller, all these features make the drone extremely beginner friendly. Double flight time comes with 2 PCS batteries. Player will have more time for fun. Multiple operating tricks featuring with 360-degree flips and auto rotation functions to enrich your flying experience. Good toy for kids. Number 2. HASAKEE U52 drone with 1080p HD camera. HD camera and Wi-Fi FPV drone built in 1080p HD camera with 90 degrees adjustable angle, FPV real-time transmission. You are able to see real-time first-person view on the app. The video clips are automatically saved to the micro SD card. You edit HD footage and directly upload it to social media from your iPhone or iPad. Multifunctional and fun to fly. Our camera drone can perform 360 degrees flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. You can fly the drone by moving smartphone up or down with gravity sensor, enables the drone follow your phone's direction. Great best drone toy gift for beginners. Steady and intelligent alert. This drone does auto hovering, this mode that ensures a steady hover in the air at a certain altitude when we focus on take great aerial pictures and videos. It will easier to control under headless mode, especially when the drone is out of sight. If the battery of the transmitter or drone is low, the transmitter will sound an alarm. Also, when the drone exceeds the distance of 100 meters, the transmitter will sound an alarm. You need to press the return home button. Easy to control. The big drone is suitable for beginner. Press the 1 key start landing button. The drone will take off or landing automatically. There are 2 speed switch. Low speed drone suitable for kids and beginners. High speed drone suitable for adults and professional operation. With 1 key return, press the button in emergency situations and get it returned to you, so it can't be lost. Safe and long flying time. The RC quadcopter has protective propeller guards to ensure a safe flight for you. High quality ABS material to free your worries of a sudden shock or drop. 1 battery can support about 10-13 minutes flight, which makes it easy to replace the battery and safe to charge battery. We also sell this type of battery separately. You can contact us if you need it. Number 3. Force One Scoot hand-operated drone. Original Scoot drone for kids. Here's the first and the most loved hand-operated drone in Force One S Scoot drone family. Toss to launch this hand drone into the air and enjoy vibrant LEDs light up this UFO flying toy with every flight. Indoor hover drone for beginners. Equipped with smart, obstacle avoidance motion sensors, use your hand to guide its flight. Play modern catch with family and friends, and catch it hamburger style once you're done. Durable and safe web shell design. This flying toy drone is designed with a web shell that protects hands, walls, and furniture from the propellers. This webbed shell also keeps the drone safe from damages as it fly around any indoor space. US certified STEM toy. This UFO drone toy is a great beginner drone for kids and kids at heart ages 8 and up. Drone measures 4.7D and includes a USB recharging cable. For more info on the products listed, visit the links in the video description.